I'm Katelyn Howell. The purpose of our mission is to help those in need of a prosthetic device. Last year, we entered the BrainCo NeuroMaker contest and put piezo pressure sensors into the fingertips of the hand. We won 3rd place nationally.
My name is Hilgenhold, and I did the design process and the Internet of Things lab visits for my group. I had to figure out which sensors would work best, and I had to figure out how to fit the sensor onto the thumb, as you can see here. During the IoT lab visits, I talked to Jason Pennington and many other employees to figure out which electronics and sensors would best fit our application. I then had to figure out which sensors would be more efficient and get the job done better.
My name is Hess, and I'm the engineer of the group. We chose to put the heat sensor on the thumb instead of the other fingers because, for example, in real time, whenever you pick up a frying pan, this sensor here will be able to read the heat waves off the frying pan and give you a direct reading to the LCD screen, which is applied on the back of your wrist, so that way you'll have easy advantage of seeing it.
My name is Carissa Meyer, and I was a designated programmer for my team, the PC Commodores. My job was to design a program in which, when the temperature sensor detects a change, it will light up with the respective color, red for heat and blue for cold. This will alert whoever is using the hand of the change and allow them to take the correct precautions to avoid injury.
Last year, we received great feedback from our project. This encouraged us to go a step farther by adding heat sensors to the hand. This is a huge advancement in the prosthetic device industry.